Alright, hello YouTube, welcome back to, I'll get everything back in. We got another package today, probably another bracelet. I can open it up this way. It's okay. Really neat fingers. I got wait, you know what bracelet this is? But that was pretty easy. I don't know why you have to put the bracelet in this thing, but it's kind of funny if there was a package with nothing in it. That'd be really weird. But I think it's that rainbow one that I got. If it is, I might do a video of it next week, a review. Oh, nothing. Pockmark. Okay. Yeah, that's right. We have a more dinky bracelet. Yeah, those came from Pockmark. Those came in early. Let's see if I can. Oh, that one could fail. I have to use my teeth to bite that, but yeah, these are my 3 new bracelets. Okay, they look kind of small. We could probably review next week, but I'll do a mini review now. So we got Mickey bracelet, star bracelet. I think this might be like patriotic pack, and then Mickey. I have another one coming from Pockmark, but it hasn't been shipped out yet. So yeah. Oh well. That was that tie one, but it's not that. That'll be coming on Monday. Yeah, I'll upload a video for you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.